the red tractor wheat in Weetabix. Let's head to Northamptonshire to learn more. Can you talk me through the harvest process?
So as the crops are maturing and they're near the point of being ready to harvest, some of our employees, they'll go out, they'll be checking the crop, what's the moisture level, the whole fleet get going, and they'll keep going, working really long hours. I mean, they'll be harvesting away till 11, 12 o'clock at night and then back at it 7 o'clock in the morning.
So can you tell me a little bit about the passports?
When the lorry turns up to pick up the crop, we'll have a guy that's assigned to load out the lorry, who'll be signing it, what store it's come from, how much has gone, and then that passport acts as an assurance so that when the lorry then takes that with them to the Weetabix factory, they then issue it so that Weetabix know it's come from a store and a farm that has operated with red tractor standards.
Tell me a little bit about being a wheat farmer. What is the best thing in your day?
One of the great things is you get to work with a great team, so you can do it on your own. And we have some really capable, skilled people. When you think about it, you've got to have a business mind, you've got to have a bit of chemistry and science, you've got to have a bit of engineering. And so you get all these unique and capable skill sets, and the challenge is what drives you. You want to carry on and be better.